Hello students, welcome back to Enly Self Study. This is a CBSE Class X Maths Exam Special series. In this video, we will revise most expected questions from quadratic equations and arithmetic progressions with stepwise solutions exactly as required in the board exam. Watch calmly, practice once, and you will be on the safe side. Find the roots of quadratic equations by factorization. First question is root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. The first step is factor the quadratic equation. So here the equation is root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2. So we find two numbers that multiply root 2 into 5 root 2. So we will get 10. And add up to 7 because we are splitting the middle term. So sum is 7. So B is 7. So root 2x square plus 7x can be written as 2x plus 5x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Now grouping the terms and then taking out the common factor. So I'm going to write root 2x square. 7x we are going to split as 2x and 5x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. Now we are going to group the terms. Now how will you take the common factor? You know that 2 is root 2 into root 2. So can we take root 2 outside and x square and x is there. So x is also a common factor. Take that outside. So from the first bracket what we are getting is x plus root 2. In the same way, from the next bracket, you can see 5 is common. So again, we are getting x plus root 2 inside the bracket. So we can factor out the common factor. So that is x plus root 2 is common. And therefore, the term outside the bracket is root 2x plus 5 equal to 0. So x plus root 2 equal to 0 or root 2x plus 5 equal to 0. So x is equal to minus root 2 or x is equal to, here root 2x is equal to minus 5. So x is equal to minus 5 by root 2. So we can write the roots are x is equal to minus root 2 and x is equal to minus 5 by root 2. Let us solve one more question. 100x square minus 20x plus 1. So we are going to split the middle term. So what is a into c? A into c is 100 into 1. And what is the sum? B is minus 20. So we should find out two factors so that AC will be 100 and the sum will be 20. So how we can split this? We can split 100 as 10 and 10 because 10 and 10, 10 into 10 is 100 and 10 plus 10 is 20. So how will you solve this one? Okay, we can rearrange this as 10x plus 10x plus 1 equal to 0. So 100x square minus 1 into minus of 10x means it is same as multiplying by minus 1. So minus 1 into 10x, that is minus 10x. Then minus into plus is again minus, plus 1 equal to 0. Now take the first two terms. Common factor is 10 and x, and inside the bracket you will get 10x minus 1. Again, if I take minus 1 as a common factor, then what I will get is, again inside the bracket I will get 10x minus 1. 10x minus 1 equal to 0. So 10x minus 1 is a common factor. So we'll take 10x minus 1 in one bracket. And which are the terms outside the bracket? We have 10x and the minus 1. So 10x minus 1 equal to 0. So 10x minus 1 equal to 0, or 10x minus 1 equal to 0. 10x minus 1 equal to 0. So 10x is equal to 1, x equal to 1 by 10. Both the values are the same. Here also we have 10x minus 1 equal to 0. So 10x equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 10. So we can say that therefore the roots are x equal to 1 by 10 and x equal to 1 by 10. Solve the following quadratic equation for x. 4x square plus 4bx minus a square minus b square equal to 0. So first step is, when you use quadratic equation, first of all we'll write down the values of a, then b. B is the coefficient of x, which is 4b, and c. C is minus a square minus b square. Now quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. It is whole divided by, don't forget that. And this is equal to minus the value of b, 4b, plus or minus root of, what is 4b the whole square? 4b the whole square is 16b square. We'll write in the next step, minus 4ab. So 4 into minus a square minus b square divided by whole divided by 2 into a. So x is equal to minus 4b plus or minus root of 16b square minus 4 into 4. So it will become 16. So minus 16 into b square minus a square whole divided by 2a. 2 into 4 is 8. Now this is minus 4b plus or minus 16 is common. So inside the square root I am taking 16 outside, which is b square minus b square minus a square whole divided by 8. So this is equal to minus 4b plus or minus root of 16 is 4. Inside the bracket b square minus b square minus b square will get cancelled. Minus of minus a square will become plus a square. So this is inside the root whole divided by 8. And this is equal to minus 4b plus or minus 4 into a. Root of a square is a divided by 8. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus. So I'm going to split that. Plus 4a by 8, and the other one is minus 4b minus 4a divided by 8. So we can take common factor outside. So if I take minus 4, it will be b minus a by 8, and here if I take minus 4 outside, it will be b plus a by 8. So 4 and 8 we can simplify, cancel once and 2, here 1 and 2. So your solution will be minus b minus a by 2 and minus b plus a by 2. So this can be written as x is equal to a minus b by 2 and x is equal to minus a plus b by 2. So these are the solutions. Third term and 14th terms are given. Which term of the arithmetic progression is 5 times the 6th term? So third term means a3 equal to a plus 2d, and that is minus 9. A14th term is a plus 13d, and that is 35. Now using elimination method we can find out the value of a and d. So when you subtract, a will get cancelled. 2d minus 13 is minus 11d, minus 9 minus 35, which will give you minus 44. So d will be equal to, common difference will be equal to 4. Now substitute the value of d in any one of the equation. You will get the value of a. A plus 2d is minus 9. We can substitute a plus 2d equal to minus 9. We have d as 4. So a plus 2 into 4 is equal to minus 9. So a equal to minus 9 minus 8, which is minus 17. So a equal to minus 17 and d equal to 4. Which term of this arithmetic progression is 5 times the 6th term? How will you find out the 6th term? 6th term is a plus 5d. We already have the values minus 17 plus 5 into 4. So we will get as 3. Minus 17 plus 20 is 3. So what is 5 times the 6th term? 5 into 3, which is 15. So which term of the AP is 5 times? So let us take that term as AN, nth term. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. And that is equal to 15. 5 times the 6th term. So A is minus 17. N minus 1 into 4 equal to 15. So n minus 1 into 4 is equal to 15 plus 17. 15 plus 17 is 32. So n minus 1 equal to 32 by 4, which is 8. N equal to 8 plus 1, 9. So the 9th term of the AP is 5 times the 6th. Solve for x. 1 by x plus 1 plus 3 by 5x plus 1 equal to 5 by x plus 4. We can take the LCM. We can use cross multiplication rule as well. 1 into 5x plus 1 plus 3 into x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 into 5x plus 1 equal to 5 divided by x plus 4. So now let's open the bracket. 5x plus 1 plus 3 into x plus 1 is 3x plus 3. Denominator is x plus 1 into 5x plus 1 equal to 8x plus 4 divided by 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 4 divided by x plus 1 into 5x plus 1, and let us equate this to the right hand side. 8x plus 4 divided by x plus 1 into 5x plus 1 equal to right side is 5 by x plus 4. Now cross multiply to eliminate the denominators. So again cross multiplying, 8x plus 4 into x plus 4 equal to 5 into x plus 1 into 5x plus 1. Now expand both sides of the equation. 8x plus 4 into x plus 4. So 8x square plus 8 into 4 is 32x. 4x plus 4 into 4 16 equal to 5 into x plus 1 into 5x plus 1. So 5 into 5x square plus 6x plus 1. Now 8x square plus 36x plus 16 equal to, we can open the bracket, 25x square, 6 5s are 30, 5 plus 5 into 1 is 5. Now bring the all the terms to the left hand side so that you can get a quadratic equation. 8x square plus 36x plus 16 minus 25x square minus 30x minus 5 equal to 0. So we will get 8x square minus 25 minus 17x square. 36x minus 30 will give you 6x. 16 and minus 5 will give you 11 equal to 0. So we can multiply by negative sign. 17x square minus 6x minus 11 equal to 0. So let's solve the quadratic equation using quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So this is equal to, in this equation the value of b is minus 6, so minus 6 plus or minus root of minus 6 square minus 4 into 17 into minus 11 divided by 2 into 17. So minus of minus will become 6 plus or minus minus 6 square is 36, minus into minus is plus, 4 into 17 into 11 is 748. Take the square root, whole divided by 34. So this is equal to 6 plus or minus, when you add 748 and 36, you will get 784. Root of 784 is 28 divided by 34. So now we have x equal to 6 plus or minus 28 by 34. So 6 plus 28 by 34 and 6 minus 28 by 34. So 6 plus 28 is 34, 34 by 34, and my 6 minus 20 is minus 22 by 34. So we can write the answer as 34 by 34 is 1, and minus 22 and 34 we can simplify by 2, 11 and 17. So we will get the answer as 1, and the second one is minus 11 by 17. And in the question you can see that x is not equal to minus 1, minus 1 by 5 and minus 4. So both x equal to 1 and minus 11 by 17 are a valid solution. So the solutions are x is equal to x equal to 1 and x equal to minus 11 by. Check whether minus 150 is a term of AP 11, 8, 5, 2, etc. So from the AP 11, 8, 5, 2, we can pick out the value of A. A is 11 and the common difference is 8 minus 11, which is minus 3. Now check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP. So what we can do is we want to check whether minus 150 is coming in the sequence. So let us take that AN as minus 150. So minus 150 AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. A plus N minus 1 into D. So this is equal to 11 minus 3N plus 3. And here we have left hand side we have minus 150. So minus 150 equal to minus 150 equal to 11 minus 3N plus 3. So minus 150 minus 3 will be minus 150 minus 3, and 11 is also there. Minus 11 equal to minus 3N. So when you simplify you get minus 164 equal to minus 3N. So N equal to minus 164 by minus 3. So minus and minus will get cancelled and we are getting a fraction 164 by 3. So N should be a positive integer, so that we can say that 164 by 3 is a fraction. So minus 150 is not a term of the given AP. Determine whether the following sequence is an arithmetic progression or not. You can see that there are three terms given: minus 12 plus 12a, minus 11 plus 11a, minus 10 plus 10a. So to find out whether it is an arithmetic progression, what we can do is we can find out the common difference. To find out the common difference, we can take a2 minus a1, the difference between the second and the first term, minus 11 plus 11a minus 12 plus 12a. So minus 11 plus 11a, minus of minuses and minus into plus is minus 12a. So minus 11 plus 12 is 1. 11a minus 12a is minus a. So we have the common difference as 1 minus a. Now let us find out the difference between the third term and the second term. So we can write common difference is equal to minus 10 plus 10a minus minus 11 plus 11a. So this is equal to minus 10 plus 10a. Minus of minus will become plus. Again minus into plus is minus 11a. So again minus 10 plus, that is 1, and 10a minus 11a is again a. So we can see that the common difference is 1 minus a. So in the previous case also we got 1 minus a. So we can say that the sequence is an arithmetic progression. Therefore you can say the sequence is an AP.